Hello, hello guys. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Okay. Now, in this video, we are discussing 1.1 articles exercise. It is very important for all of you because from that exercise, from that 21 sentences, maybe 2 or 3 sentences will be asked in final paper as well as class test 1. Okay. Before that, we discuss the definition of articles, uses of articles as well as omission of articles, okay, in video number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Especially video number 4 is a summarizing of all the videos. Have you got it? So today's video we are just discussing exercise that is called 1.1 exercise. Okay, you will be asked the same questions like this question, like complete the following sentences by using the suitable articles a or an and the. Okay, complete the following sentence by using the suitable article. What you are doing, you should rewrite the sentence along with its answer in answer sheet in class test first also as well as final paper. Have you got it? Rewrite the sentences along with the answer. For example, first, Ram goes to dash temple every day. Which articles we use here? Ram goes to temple. We have no idea about the temples. Okay, because Ram, I am not Ram and you are not Ram. Ram is a third person. He goes to temple. Temple. It is a common noun. So we put a, yeah, an indefinite articles and especially a because it start with consonant sound. So answer is a. Ram goes to a temple every day. Sentence number 2, I brought dash new mobile. New mobile. It is a new for me. I am unknown about the features and function of that mobiles. It is unknown. I use this mobile first time because it is new. That's why I put here I bought a new mobile. Have you got it? Indefinite article a and an with indefinite sense. We are not familiar about that noun, yeah, noun phrase. It is unknown for us. Okay, a for consonant sound and for vowel sound. Next, sentence number 3, Goa is dash paradise for all hippies. Okay, Goa is the paradise. Paradise means a place of enjoyment. Is it clear? The paradise means it is Goa. It is a common noun. It is a proper noun, but it compare with general sense. So Goa is the paradise for all hippies. Sentence number 4, dash man is the highest form of creation. Have you got it? Man. Okay, so we did not use no articles. A man is the highest form of creation. No, a man means indefinite. The man, it is also wrong, but sometimes we use the man is the highest form of creation. Yeah, we did not put the articles. Okay, maybe the, yeah, no articles. Sentence number 5, please open dash window. Here is window. We are seeing the window. It is a, we have a clear idea about window because it is in front of us. It is a assertive sentence. That's why we put the. Please open the window. Sentence number 6, gramophone is dash device for recording and reproducing sound and music. Gramophone is a device because we did not use a gramophone. We are not familiar about gramophone. Gramophone, it is a device which is used in old days for recording and reproducing sound and music. So gramophone is a device. Okay, some student can write also the device also. There is some confusions. Then sentence number 7, dash inspector of the prison was hated by the prisoners. He is Inspector, it is unknown. We are not familiar with that inspector, that's why the inspector, it is not specific. An inspector, why? And because it start with vowel sound. An inspector. Sentence number 8. Suresh is dash good painter. Suresh, I'm where if I am not familiar with Suresh, then we put Suresh is a good painter. Sentence number 10. Most of dash people in this village are honest. Most of dash people. It is a general sense. Most of the people in this village are honest. Okay, most of the people in this village are honest. The general. Okay, it represents the whole community. Sentence number 11th. What dash beautiful person she is. Obviously, beautiful. It is a quality which matter place to place, man to man, individual to individual. That's why what a beautiful, oh, okay, what a beautiful person sees. Sentence number 12. Arjun returned after dash hour. Though it start with h, but pronunciation, actual pronunciation start with hour. That's why we put an as a definite hours, definite articles. Arjun returned after an hours. Sentence number 13th, which is obviously the ही आएगा, the longest river in India, because superlative form of adjective the. Sentence number next 14. An umbrella. An umbrella, because we are not first time we are using the word umbrella. An umbrella is dash useful things during rainy season. An umbrella is a useful, there are a lot of useful things in the rainy season, particularly in not in a particular sense, a useful things during rainy season. An umbrella is a useful. Some student can write also the useful things during the rainy season. Oh yeah, the. Sentence number 15. Not everyone gets dash opportunity to become famous. Obviously an opportunity, because opportunity is unknown for us. We are not familiar about that opportunity. Opportunity is incidents with us. Okay, so an opportunity, a opportunity nahi, because or as a vowel sound, an opportunity. Life. Sentence number 16. Life is like dash concert to me. A concert. Concert means a musical ceremony. Life is like, there is a lot of ups and down, there is a lot of mishaps, there is a lot of happiness and tragedy. It is a mixture. Concert music में होता है ना, there are a lot of ups and down in music. So here is life is like a concert to me. Sentence number 17. Dash science of life is not as complicated as rocket scientist. The science of life. Here is, we are familiar about that science. The science of life is not, because we are living the life. We know facts, we know up and downs of the life. We know the life is combination of happiness and tragedy. That's why we are familiar about life, and it is in general sense we love the science of life is not as complicated as rocket scientist. Science, sorry. Sentence number 18. My friend is dash MA in Sanskrit. MA. MA. Okay, have you got it? It is a abbreviation of educational qualification, Master of Arts. We use definite because educational qualification should be changed. It is not constant, it is not fixed, it may be changes. So my friend is an MA. We did not use a MA because though it start with M as a consonant alphabet, but it pronunciation it start with vowel sound, an MA. Sentence number 19. The time flies as fast as dash eagle. An eagle. Eagle, vowel sound. Sentence number 20. Sanskrit is dash difficult language. Sanskrit is a difficult language because we are not sure about Sanskrit. And sentence number last 21, he is dash efficient employee. He is an efficient employee. Is it clear? Answer is an, not a. Yeah, oh, he is an efficient employee. Have you got it? I hope you can understand the video number 5 means this video. In this video we completed all exercise. In this way, in this video we completed 1.1 articles. Thank you.